In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable sidebar in your Android phone. That's it. If you want to enable it, just open up your settings app. After that, just scroll down, then go to display option. Now from here, scroll down again, go to Edge panel, and that's it. So just tap here to enable Edge panel, and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now you can also customize your sidebar. Just tap on panels option. From here, you can add or remove any item from your sidebar. You can see apps, people, task, reminder, music. If you want to add music, just select it. Also remove any option. Just uncheck this option that you want to remove. And then go back and then go to handle option. From here, you can customize your sidebar. You can change color. That's it. And change your position. You can choose left or right. And from here you can change transparency, and from here you can change size, and it's done. And that is how you can enable sidebar in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.